Hi guys, if you are using provider and you want to change the theme of your app, and if you have already initialized provider in the multi-providers and you are still facing this error that this happened because you use build context that does not include the provider of your choice, but you have already include your providers. So you can remove this error by adding the builder over material app with builder, uh, and in the builder there is a property of builder and you have to initialize context and return that material. Have to cut the material and paste in the return. After that, this error will be removed. As I reload the app, the error has been gone. So you can remove this error by adding builder over material app. Thanks for watching.